guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing a mobile game, and it's going to be hard to see, but let's play some. So we start. I'm going to be playing with one hand. So let's do this. I played this game before, and this is a really popular game. I think you guys would like this game. It's free on only mobile, I think. Okay, let's go. Run, 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 run. But this is too easy. Let's go. God. And guys, I consider myself pretty good at this game. Yo, thank you for letting me on this. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Beep, beep. Beep. See? God. Woo. Woo. Whoa. 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 Yo, too good. Run, 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 with the jump boost. I'm about to die. Hey man, I'm not gonna die. Ooh, 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 look at these skills. Look at these skills, guys. Wish I had a magnet right now. More jumpy shoes. Jumpy shoes, jumpy shoes. Woo! Ooh. So guys, the point of Subway Surfer is you did spray paint and a cop is chasing you. And you gotta run away from that cop, and you gotta dodge stuff like this. So next train. Okay, next train's coming in the middle. Gotta dodge that. Yo, let me jump up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, too good. Too good. Too good. Look at this gameplay. Oh god, that's very tight. Oh my god. I'm too good. I'm too good. I'm too good. And guys, at the top right, that's the record I'm trying to beat. No, I missed that. Oh no, not this thing. Okay, made it past that. Yo, jump that. Came over on this side. Ow! No. No. And also, you gotta get a perfect timing, because the cop can catch up to you any minute when you get hit. Woo! God. That scared me. And oh my god. This is scaring me right now. Yo, got it. Let's go. Magnet. You know me. Let's go. Too good. No! I was getting distracted. Oh, come on. Yo. Bruh. Come on. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. Run. Run. Ow. That actually really hurt. Jump, 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 jump. Woo! My finger swipe didn't work for a second. Nearly died. Nearly died. Guys, whenever I play Subway Surfer, I always get super far. But then I die, sadly. Yeah, I gotta go for the rainbow. Thank God. Okay, jump, jump, jump. Oh, I'm too good. I'm too good, boy. Next train's coming on my side since there's coins. Knew it. Train's coming in the middle since there's coins. But I'm just gonna travel over here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm being a high scorer. Okay, let's go, let's go. My high score is about like 27,000. And I'm pretty good at it. And I only downloaded this game for 2 days ago, and I used to play it on my sister's phone. That's how good. That's why I'm so good at it. Oof, oof, oof. Too good, too good. Sorry, coming through. Train. Ow, ow! Holy! Sheesh, my guy. Look at this. Too easy. Oh, oh, sorry, train. Not today. Oh, oh no! That was so close. Oh my god. Yo, open. What's up? What's in here? What's in here? Ah, extra keys. Let's go. So I got 8 boards. I can just double tap to get. Okay. Yay. Yo. Wow. Yo, guys, too good. Yeet, yeet. Apple body jean. I know it's starting off a bit slow, but I need to get more coins so I can go faster. Look at me, I'm going faster. Should have took that up so I can take the rainbow. Extra keys, I'm gonna need that. Ooh, oh, too good, too good. Look at this. And guys, you know you can do this and then swipe right and you can jump in there. Ooh. Oh! Don't mind if I do. Apple on jean. Ooh! Oh! Ah! Woo! Oh, I couldn't get the coins there. Ooh, magnet. Well, thank you, Panthers. Well, like jump boosters too. You guys ready? Yay! Ah! Nearly died. Nearly died. Oh, more jump boosters. Yeah! Woohoo! 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 Yo, guys, I'm too good at this game. Okay, let's go up here so I can collect that rainbow. No, I couldn't do anything! I couldn't do anything there. Oh my god, I couldn't do anything there. How am I supposed to do that? Okay, let's go play. Come on, let's go. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Are you gonna make it? Oh, you can't take these jukes. Oh. You can't take these jukes, buddy. Oh. Yo, guys, always get this and then the power up over here. I'm trying to the rainbow. Wait, guys, I'm just gonna take a second, okay? Yup, sorry about that. Okay, let's go. You will never catch me, cop, buddy. Woo. Oh, I did not mean to pull out one of these. Oh, let's go. Okay, let's go. Ah, too good. Yay! Reboy car triggers. Boom. Oh, look at these skateboarding skills. Oh, too good. No! I meant that. Let's do this. Look, this cop jumps when I jump. This makes no sense. Not gonna get me, cop. Ooh, we'll get these coins so I can go a bit faster. Ah! Juke 'em. Guys, for a suggestion that you should do more often is always go on the high ground instead of the lower ground. Like when you have a chance to go up, you should take it. I meant to swipe up, but the game made me swipe to the right. You're kidding me. Oh. But it's getting too easy sometimes. Ow! Sorry, I had to miss the rainbow for that. Bruh. Ready? Bye, train. Probably gonna get hit here, am I? No, never mind. Yo. See you. Yo, so I get all the coins. Big brain. Oh, ah! Let's try a cop, but he ain't gonna get me this time. Go to the middle, but I'm not gonna do that because I know trains here. And yeet. Yeet 'em. Too easy sometimes. Ow. Bye, cop. Woo! Yeah, man, look at this. I'm rad, dude. I'm rad. Ooh, ooh. Roll up. Yo, too easy. Too easy. Oh, thank you, kind serious. Oh, no, not this thing. Ow, 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 no! This is so hard getting past those things. Yo, so that's just my dad's motorcycle. Let's go! Let's go! So I think one more round and then I'm gonna end the video here. And guys, if this video hits, let's say 5 likes, come on, then I will do another video on Subway Surfer. Ow, I almost got hit there. Boop. Yeah, boy. Ooh, 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 look at that. Jump. Ooh. Ah! There's no coins to collect. Guys, sorry, but I'm gonna end the video here. Tell me if you guys, guys, leave in the comments if you liked it, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.